I'm driving a near 20-year-old car in Germany, and I decided to start filming it. Not because it's like fancy or like, I don't know, but because it's different than driving in the US. It's the real roads of Europe. I mean, there's many people who like do these videos, like these car vlogs, but yeah. This car is a Hyundai i10 from 2008. It's the first i10, and it's almost literally like a Japanese K car. The only difference is it has like 5 seats instead of 4. Why is it special, you might ask? It isn't. That's the case. That's like the whole point. It's just a normal car. Obviously I'm driving it because of like financial reasons, but maybe it might seem interesting because yeah, it's completely different from driving in the US. Like, you would never drive this in the US. You will probably never see these cars in the US. It's very rare, you know, not like in Japan or especially also in Germany, because yeah, people are used to smaller sized cars. I mean, look at those cars. Like, you see that crossover, or yeah, it's a crossover in my eyes. It's kind of normal size here. In America it's definitely less than normal size, but yeah, this is also a pretty normal sight. Like, driving next to a bus is like everyday life. But yeah, I want to show you like car culture. I want to show you the European roads, especially the German roads. I'm living in northern Germany. It's near the city of Hamburg. It's called Kiel. Like, it's northern Germany. It's pretty flat out here. It's kind of near Denmark, very near. Like, it's only 1 hour to Denmark. Also, why am I starting a YouTube car vlog? Yeah, I don't know, I feel like it. I just bought this camera and I just want to use it, you know? Maybe some people will like it, maybe not. That's okay. But yeah, I think it's maybe it could be interesting for people from the US to see what it's like driving in 2025 in Germany. Maybe there's channels who like do night drives or car reviews. That's also good, but I don't know, I feel like there's not many people who just show the way it is, like show how it feels like driving in Germany, especially not in the English language. So yeah, as I'm kind of profound in the English language, maybe you can tell by my accent that it's not perfect, but I will try my best to kind of like show you and give you a good feeling about how it's like to drive in Germany. So what can you expect? On this channel you can expect like POV drives in Germany and Europe in general, like not only in Germany but definitely on some occasions outside of Germany, and just the general car life in Europe or Germany, like how it is owning a car, how it's like the bureaucracy. Maybe some people want to move to Germany and you want to know if it's like expensive and easy to own a car, and how do you maintain it, what is the cost of that. Like, there's many things to think about owning a car here, and I will tell you most of it. Like, you will pretty much be prepared for everything about cars in Germany. Maybe in Europe too, but probably not in all cases. It's kind of different, especially like price wise, you know. But yeah, you will definitely tell that, or you will definitely be able to tell that cars in Germany are definitely more expensive than cars in the US. I will show you all the street signs. I will explain them to you and tell you why they don't have like text in them, only symbols. I will definitely show you the differences between the Germany and the US in every case, like in all topics. And also I will show you the differences from Germany or Northern Europe and Southern Europe. There also could be like a big difference, right? And you might want to know about that. But lastly, but probably not like all of it, you will definitely I will definitely react to like American car topics, prices, like the gas prices, just the differences in general, like I said. So yeah, this channel is gonna be about authenticity and obviously also entertainment, but just realness in general too. You will definitely like get a good grip. I'm just repeating the same stuff, But yeah, I'm just trying to tell you what this channel is gonna be about. And if you've like ever wondered what driving in Europe actually feels like, just hit that subscribe button, man. It will be a great help and you won't regret it. This is gonna be nothing like the usual car channels. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us in the next one. Peace out.